Hey guys, Anthony from LRA Auto Museum and Sales, and today we'll be checking out our 1955 Chevrolet 210 Delray. This Delray underwent a 20-year rotisserie restoration. All the panels on this car were changed, from the hood to the doors to the quarter panels to the fenders. This car has been done top to bottom. Everything is immaculate on this car. Even the whole suspension has been ripped out and a new performance suspension put in it. It's on beautiful American racing rims and wheels. And overall, it was repainted in this gorgeous Merlot Metallic. It gives it that nice red wine color that I absolutely love. I think it's such a classic look. Under the hood, you can see everything is either chrome or red. And I absolutely love that. I think it's fantastic how they did the color combination under here. You got the gorgeous GM 383 in here. Provides great power, great performance for the vehicle. It's got power disc brakes as well, power steering. This is an absolutely great driver. This is a great value for the car as well. All right, let's take it for a ride. During the restoration, the full interior of the car was redone as well. You can see there's new cloth on the seats, on the ceiling. You can see that the dashboard, it's painted that beautiful Merlot Metallic. It has new chrome accents. It has a new cluster up here for the gauges. It is, a modern look with a retro style. I really like it. And it's also electronic, so it's more responsive. You're gonna have less problems with it. You got this really nice 5-speed manual transmission in it as well. It's a Tremec. And you also have 410 gear ratio, so this car gets up and goes. All right, let's take it for a spin. So like I mentioned earlier, this car does have power steering, so it does handle really well. It's got a nice heavy feeling to it. It's got that upgraded suspension. And listen to that exhaust. It's got a set of headers and a really nice exhaust on it as well. That 383 just screams when you get on it, which we're about to do. I'm gonna take it for a little pull. Really nice power brakes. Slow down when you need to. Overall, it's just a fantastic car. You can take it to car shows, date nights, anything that you want. It's truly an amazing build. Full rotisserie. So it's done to the T. This car is immaculate. So just some quick info on a rotisserie restoration. Basically, it's top to bottom. It's a frame-off restoration where they take every nut and bolt off of the car and they make sure it's all completely redone. So it's when you go completely through the car and you can truly make it perfect. Just listen to this thing. Sounds so nice. It's got that 410 gear ratio, so it just gets up and goes. Like we mentioned in our Bel Air video, this is a perfect car show vehicle. You can take first place with this thing, drive it home. Very reliable, very strong motor. It's also really fast. That's just a huge added bonus. These cars are a little larger, so you can fit 4 people comfortably in this car, no problem. What's really nice too is you can go on long drives, get nice top speeds because you have, 5-speed paired with that 410. It's nice. Really nice on the dash. You got your fuel gauge, your voltmeter, water temp, oil pressure, RPMs. RPMs in 2 spots actually. It's really nice. One is like a tack and the other one is just straight numbers, and you also have your mile per hours there, so it's a really nice setup. It's a perfect car for someone who wants to take it for a ride and just have fun with it. about these old Chevys are the windshields. You have so much visibility out of these things. I think it's such a nice touch. Especially when you're driving a nice car, you want to be able to see. You want to be able to look out, enjoy your day, see all the people waving at you. This is perfect for that. This car is so comfortable too. These bench seats, I absolutely love it. The cloth, the old time springs in it. It's just such a great feeling. I wish modern cars felt like this, I really do. Now everything's stiff and race this and race that. This is the perfect mix of both. You got performance and you got luxury.
Sitting on a couch.
Yeah, literally. Cruising at 60 right now. Feels amazing, handles really well. It just truly is a great car, as they did a really good job on restoring this. And another great thing, the horn works. So like I mentioned earlier, this has a full rotisserie restoration. You need to take a look at the underside of this car. Everything is painted. The bottom of the car is that metallic Merlot color like we were talking about earlier. Even the frame is painted gray. It's absolutely gorgeous. You got this whole stainless steel exhaust, really nice traction bars, air shocks. You have four-wheel disc brakes around the whole car. New shocks in the back as well. All the lines are ran really nice. The fuel pump is put up in there real nice. The wires are tied off extremely well. Like I said, full stainless steel exhaust. You got these really nice headers. Even the control arms are painted. I mean, look at this. This looks better than some of the paint jobs on the outside of cars. Everything, sway bars. Really, really nice car. Even the drive shaft looks immaculate. This is a true rotisserie restoration, and this car can be yours. If you've always had your eye on a Chevy from the 50s, no better car than this one. Thanks for coming along on the ride. This car is available. If you're interested in it, please go on our website at www.lraautomuseumandsales.com or give us a phone call at 215-781-3790. Thank you and have a great day.